Come on guys, let's all agree to this. Let's all accept this fact. Shading makes a drawing go from looking flat to looking realistic. You hear me? Yes. So as a future hyper-realistic artist, I realized that I have to learn how to shade to make my drawings look more hyper-realistic. So guess what was the first thing I did? Obviously was to learn how to shade. The first thing I did was to shading warm-up, where I wrote the don't and do. The don't, your shading mustn't look the same throughout. The do, your shading must look like it must be darker at first, the dark side, and then gradually become lighter, not just dark and then boom, the next moment it's light, just like that. Nap. What helps in determining which part should be light, which part should be dark is the value scale. You see, at the first side where I wrote 1, it's a white box. It's a box with white, and then number 2 is a bit darker. Number 3, like it gets darker as it goes, and then number 7 is the darkest. So I use that value scale as a reference for my shading practice. So here I was drawing a circle so that I can learn how to shade a circle, you know, to make it look more realistic. Why a circle? Because most artists use circles to learn how to shade, and I'm just a beginner artist. Why wouldn't I use it? Hello. So that side I was drawing my sun. Look at my tiny sun. Doesn't it look so cute? And then so this side where the sun is, I was gonna make it lighter, and then the side where the sun cannot reach, it's gonna be darker, obviously. So there is me learning how to shade, and then I also made some line as reference so that my shading, I don't know, I was trying to look professional, you see, like a professional artist. Don't ask me why or what was happening, just know I was trying to look like a professional artist, and this is the result. Look at it guys. Am I not improving? I think I am improving compared to my previous drawing attempts. So yeah, thank you guys. We've reached the end of the video. If you wanna grow with me and see my future improvements, you can also subscribe, and don't forget to like the video and comment. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for supporting me. Bye.